Have you ever pondered the difference between augmented reality, mixed reality, extended reality, and virtual reality? These terms often get mixed up, but they each have unique aspects. Let's begin with augmented reality, or AR. Imagine you're looking at the world through a magical lens that can overlay digital information onto your physical environment. That's AR for you. It enhances our perception of reality by integrating digital elements or information into our view of the real world. From using filters on social media platforms to viewing furniture in your room before buying it online, Arkansas is already a part of our daily lives. Now, let's journey into the realm of virtual reality, or VR. Picture yourself putting on a pair of goggles and being transported to an entirely different world. That's VR. It immerses users in a fully digital environment, disconnecting them from the physical world. Whether it's exploring the depths of an ocean or walking on the surface of Mars, VR can make it seem as though you're actually there. Next up is mixed reality, or MSTAR. As the name suggests, it's a blend of AR and VR. It's like being in a digital-physical hybrid world where the real and virtual worlds coexist and interact. Imagine virtual characters or objects interacting with your real-world environment. That's the magic of Mr. Finally, we have extended reality, or XR. This isn't a separate reality, but rather an umbrella term that encompasses all the realities: AR, VR, and Mr. Think of it as the spectrum of experiences that blurs the line between the real world and the simulated world. So there you have it, the key differences between augmented reality, mixed reality, extended reality, and virtual reality. Remember, it's all about how much of your reality is digital and how it interacts with the physical world.